slipping away. Andy Swiss, BBC News, Headingley.
Well, that's it. Now on BBC One, it's time for the news where you are. Have a very good night. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Wales Today. Tonight's headlines. Tens of thousands expected to attend Pride Cymru this weekend. We hear why some feel the event remains vital in tackling homophobia. And a drug dealer is jailed for selling ecstasy tablets known as Donkey Kong pills to a vulnerable child who was hospitalised. Noswaith dda, good evening. It's the biggest event in Wales celebrating the LGBT community. Up to 50,000 people are expected to attend the Pride Cymru festival this weekend, marking its 20th year.